Chester Zoo is home to over 20,000 animals, but one night the calls that echoed through the park didn't belong to any of them. During a storm in 2019, a night keeper was checking enclosures after heavy rain flooded the lower paths. At 2:14 a.m., his radio picked up a faint voice, a child calling for help from the giraffe paddock. He rushed there, but the gates were locked and the paddock was empty. When the control room played back the audio, the voice changed. It wasn't a child anymore. It was repeating his name, slowly, between bursts of static. The next morning, muddy footprints were found inside the locked enclosure, small at first, then larger, ending in deep impressions that tore through the grass. Later that week, the zoo's IT team found the recording had uploaded itself to every device connected to the network. When they played it, the voice whispered a new word, closer. A month later, staff walking the perimeter fence reported hearing that same voice again, but this time it wasn't through a radio. It was coming from the trees, just beyond the lights. Last winter, the same frequency activated for 12 minutes straight, and every speaker in the park began to hum, matching a heartbeat. Now, whenever rain hits the metal roofs, staff say the radios crackle with faint crying, and the animals all fall silent, listening. Comment Chester Zoo if you made it to the end.